Hello and welcome to Mary Morrissey Studio. Today I will be sharing with you a jalapeno cranberry sauce recipe. In this recipe I will be using a sugar substitute called Erythritol Monk Fruit Sweetener. The following is the recipe for this video. Cranberry jalapeno sauce. 1 pound fresh cranberries, 1 cup sugar substitute, 1 lemon, grate for zest, and you will also be using the juice fruit. 1 lime, grate for zest, and you will also be using the juice fruit. 1 small orange, grate for zest, and you will also be using the juice fruit. 1/2 to 1 jalapeno, diced. 100% cranberry juice, no sugar added, can also be used as needed. Add cranberries to a pan, add the sugar substitute, add both zest and juice of the lemon, the lime, and the orange. Add to a pan on the stove, set to a medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes or until a desired consistency. You will also need 1 teaspoon salt. The longer you cook, the more jelly-like it will become. If you decide the jalapeno is too strong after cooking, proceed to add 100% cranberry juice until it is your preferred taste. You can serve this hot or cold. I hope you enjoy. Please keep my channel vibrant by asking questions. This recipe is also in the description area of the video. Please hit subscribe and the notification bell if you would like more recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today.